This tutorial shows you how to continue tasks you started on your phone directly on your PC. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Apps. From there, click on Resume. At this point, toggle the main resume switch on. In the next step, choose which apps you'd like to support this feature, like OneDrive. Following this, toggle on OneDrive specifically to allow resuming documents you are editing on your phone. Once done, keep in mind you'll need to be signed into the same Microsoft account and OneDrive on both your phone and PC for this to work. From here, once set up, editing a document on your phone and then unlocking your PC within a few minutes triggers a notification. At this stage, tap that notification to open the same file directly on your PC through OneDrive in your browser. Keep in mind, this feature is still gradually rolling out, so it may not appear on every Windows 11 device just yet, depending on your update version. Finally, make sure your Windows is fully updated if you don't see this option, since newer builds are required for it to appear. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable the Resume feature in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.